Hello dear students, welcome to our channel. It's a pure mathematics channel. In this class we want to solve this question 133. 2 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power x is equal to 216. Then find the value of this expression 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to question mark. Or we can write x plus y over x into y is equal to question mark. Solution: here we have 2 to the power x is equal to 216. Also we have 3 to the power x is equal to 216. This implies 2 to the power x is equal to 6 to the power 3. Here also 3 to the power x is equal to 6 to the power 3. It is y. It is also y. This implies 2 to the power x whole to the power y is equal to 6 to the power 3 whole to the power y. 3 to the power y whole to the power x is equal to 6 to the power 3 whole to the power x. Both sides rise by x. Here also both sides rise by y. Or this implies 2 to the power x multiplied by y xy is equal to 3 to the power 3 multiplied by y 3y. It is called relation 1. 3 to the power y into multiplied by x xy is equal to 6 to the power 3 multiplied by x 3x. We call relation 2. Now 1 multiplied by 2 we get 2 to the power x into y multiplied by 3 to the power xy. 2 to the power xy multiplied by 3 to the power xy is equal to 6 to the power 3y. 6 to the power 3y multiplied by 6 to the power 3x. This implies 2 multiplied by 3 whole to the power xy is equal to 6 to the power 3y plus 3x. Now here 2 multiplied by 3 6 to the power xy is equal to 6 to the power 3x plus 3y. These are cancelled, then xy is equal to 3x plus 3y. Or we can write 3x plus 3y is equal to xy. X multiplied by y. We take factor 3x, 3 plus 3 multiplied by x plus y is equal to xy. X multiplied by y. Now first we divide both sides by xy. We get 3 multiplied by x plus y over x into y is equal to 1. xy divided by x multiplied by y, then we get 1. Again we divide both sides by 3. We get x plus y over x into y is equal to 1 over 3. It is the value of x plus y over x into y. It was the first method. Now we want to solve by second method. We have 2 to the power x is equal to 6 to the power 3. 3 to the power y is equal to 6 to the power 3. We take look both sides. Log 2 to the power x is equal to log 6 to the power 3. Log 3 to the power y is equal to log 6 to the power 3. Then we can write x into log 2 is equal to 3 into log 6. Y into log 3 is equal to 3 into log 6. If we divided both sides by log 2, we get x is equal to 3 into log 6 divided by log 2. Also here, log y is equal to 3 into log 6 over log 3. Now if we make opposite both sides, we get 1 over x is equal to log 2 over 3 into log 6. Same thing here, 1 over y is equal to log 3 over 3 into log 6. Here we have 1 over x, here also we have 1 over y. We add both sides, 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to, instead of 1 over x, we can write log 2 over 3 into log 6 plus, instead of 1 over y, we can write log 3 over 3 into log 6. 3 into log 6. It is equal to 3 into log 6. Common denominator, then divided by 3 into log 6, it is equal to 1. 1 multiplied by log 2 plus. Also here we get log 3. It is equal to log 2 plus log 3. We can write log 2 multiplied by 3 over log 6. 3 into log 6. It is equal to log 6. 2 multiplied by 3, 6 over 3 into log 6. These two cancel. Then it is equal to 1 over 3. Therefore, 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to x plus y over x into y. It is equal to 1 over 3. In both method, we get same result. It was the solution of this question. Thank you.